Hi, I'd like to show you DER-965Q, which is a 550 volt input buck converter solution for automotive applications. So let's dive right in. This is the DER-965Q board, delivering 15 volts at 650 milliamps from an input voltage range of 60 to 550 volts. Now, it'll deliver the full output current down to 60 volts, but this board will start up and operate all the way down to 25 volts, just with reduced output current. The buck configuration is fairly straightforward. We've got the buck inductor, the output capacitor, the control and power switch is integrated inside the LinkSwitch-TN2Q package here. And noteworthy are the two freewheeling diodes that have been used. So rather than a single diode, it's been split into two. The main reason is for spacing requirements. A single SMA diode doesn't have the pad-to-pad creepage distance needed to meet AEC 60664. So by splitting it into two, we have half the voltage, and therefore these spacings are sufficient. The other benefit is heat spreading. The majority of the losses in this design are actually in the freewheeling diode. So by splitting it, we spread the heat across a larger area. And here you can see the vias that are used to transfer that heat to a copper plane that's also on the second side of the board. And this nicely shows that this is just a single-sided design when you have parts shown on the top side of the board. So that's it. That was the DER-965Q. If you'd like to evaluate the DER-965Q board, please contact your local Power Integrations FAE or sales office, and they'll be happy to send you one. Or for more information on the board itself, please visit power.com.